choice today with the 2014 2500. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 6.7-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find cruise control, trip computer, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, overhead console, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.